Some other words that are confusing are bring, take or fetch. All these three words signify movement and mean to carry something. Bring means to ask the listener to carry something towards the speaker. Take means to ask the listener to carry something away from the speaker. Fetch means to ask the listener to go to some place, pick up something and carry it towards the speaker. For example, let us see a sentence. Please bring the file from the desk. This means that the speaker is asking the listener to carry the file towards the speaker. Compare this with another sentence. Please take the file from the desk. This means that the speaker is asking the listener to carry the file away from the speaker. Another sentence might be, please fetch the file from the desk. This means that the speaker is asking the listener to go to the desk, pick up the file and come back with it to the speaker. Clear? Bring means carrying something towards the speaker. Take means carrying something away from the speaker. And fetch means going from point A to point B, picking up something at point B and then returning by carrying something from point B to point A. Take can mean carrying someone or something to some different place also. Instead of coming back to point B or point A, it can mean any point, some different point. So take can mean carrying someone or something to some different place. For example, the sentence, I can take you to your office. Here neither the speaker or the listener are at the office. The office is a different place. Another sentence may be, please take the file from Peter's home. Again, neither the speaker nor the listener are at Peter's home, which is a different place. Clear? Shall we move on? Okay. Now we see the perspective, the viewpoint. Bring is from the giver's viewpoint, from the giver's perspective, from the giver's point of view. While take is from the receiver's viewpoint. For example, she brings the napkin for him. Here the focus is on she. She brings the napkin for him. So bring is from the giver's perspective. Take is from the receiver's viewpoint. She takes the napkin for him. So why is she taking the napkin? She is taking the napkin for him. So the focus is on him. A matter of perspective. From which angle do you see? From which point of view you see? Clear? Okay. Bring and take are not interchangeable. For example, can you bring some paper? You cannot say, can you take some paper? Can you take this packet? You cannot say, can you bring this packet? They are not interchangeable. With respect to bring and brought, the past tense of bring is brought. The ed form is also brought. She brought the book with her. We do not say she bringed the book with her. No, there is no word as bring. We also do not say she brang the book with her. There is no word as brang also. Generally, the confusion arises between brought and bought. B-R-O-U-G-H-T and B-O-U-G-H-T. Brought, B-R-O-U-G-H-T, is the past tense of bring, while bought, B-O-U-G-H-T, is the past tense of buy. Let us see a sentence. Susan brought, B-R-O-U-G-H-T, a beautiful painting from Spain. This means that Susan carried with her a painting from Spain. Compare this with another sentence. Susan bought, B-O-U-G-H-T, a beautiful painting from Spain. This means that Susan purchased a painting from Spain. Simple, clear? Okay. Fetch, F-E-T-C-H, fetch. Like you play with a dog, you throw something and the dog goes and fetches it for you, runs and fetches it for you, throw a ball or something, a twig ball, right? So fetch means to go from point A to point B, get something and return from point B to point A. Instead of fetch, generally get is used. I have to fetch some documents from the office. Instead, generally people say, I have to get some documents from the office. So fetch is replaced by get, and in the formal sense, one has to use fetch instead of get. So, all in all, once the context is understood, then the usage of the words becomes clear. Any questions? Okay, right, thank you.